Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to cancel an order on Taobao. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website, which is the Taobao, and they also have their app here. And let's try to first buy an order here. And next thing you need to do here guys is you just need to go to your Me tab and tap on My Orders, and there you'll be able to see here the order you want to cancel. Just need to find the order you want to cancel, and usually guys it's under the pending payment, and tap on earn order, then choose cancel order, and of course pick a reason and confirm by tapping submit. And that's it guys, your order is now canceled and you won't be charged. And if you already paid guys, you will need to request a refund instead of canceling it. And that's how you can cancel an order on this website, the Taobao. Like and subscribe for more easy Taobao tips. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!